Welcome. This is our group presentation for Microsoft Mariana 1 presented by Group 12. To start, let me introduce Microsoft's Majorana 1, a fifth generation quantum computer that represents a major leap forward to the field of quantum computing. At the heart of Majorana 1 is a topological core that uses a Majorana particle. This unique particle could help stabilize qubits, making them more resistant to environmental noise, which has been the biggest challenge of quantum computer at this time. What really sets Majorana 1 apart from its scalability is the architecture that designed this small-scale quantum computer at the size of a chip. Even more impressively, qubits in Majorana 1 are controlled digitally using simple voltage pulses, making the hardware more efficient and practical compared to complex analog control systems and other platforms. In short, Majorana simplifies, stabilizes, and scales quantum computer all in one system.
Microsoft Majorana 1 operates on the principles of topological quantum computing. Using the Majorana particles, exotic quasi-particles that are their own antiparticles to form topological qubits. These qubits are inherently more stable and resistant to environmental noise due to their non-local encoding of quantum information. The system's topological core design enables fault tolerance by protecting qubit states from common sources of error. Majorana 1 also simplifies quantum control by using digital voltage pulses instead of complex analog systems, which make it easier to scale. With the goal of integrating up to a million qubits on a single chip, Majorana 1 represents a major step toward practical industrial scale quantum computing.
After nearly 20 years of research led by Leo Cohenhoven, Majorana 1 achieved a breakthrough in stable topological qubits using custom-made materials called topoconductors. These nanowires built from indium arsenide and aluminum show that Majorana zero modes at low temperature and has been enabled digital control of qubits using the simple voltage uh, pulses, greatly simplifying the previous methods used in quantum computing.
Microsoft Majorana 1 will revolutionize different industries by solving problems that classical computers cannot solve efficiently. The application of quantum computing in medical research includes simulating molecular interactions at the quantum level, speeding up the process of drug discovery. Development of an unbreakable encryption in cybersecurity products is guaranteed by this technology in cryptography. This is how quantum computing is expected to improve climate modeling by simulating weather patterns more accurately. Other fields that would benefit from quantum computing include logistics and supply chains, plus financial modeling analysis. Majorana 1's design comes with the added benefits of simplifying the hardware to be more stable and at the same time decreasing power consumption and cost for quantum error correction. Thus, it would make large scale quantum computing more available to industries and governments.
To conclude, operating computers on a quantum scale allows us to solve problems that usually takes a lot of time and testing with traditional computing. Many of today's challenges like growing issue in microplastics requires a lot of complex research and modeling. This is where quantum computing stands out. One of the most transformative capabilities of quantum computers are to simulate models of complex systems at molecular and atomic levels. For example, classical computers have a hard time modeling chemical reactions that involves multiple molecular orbitals, which is very difficult to predict on how synthetic materials break down and interact with the environment. Quantum computers, on the other hand, could simulate these reactions with a far greater precision that could lead to the development of a new eco-friendly materials like biodegradable plastics that would help us directly address environmental issues, like, including microplastic pollution in the ocean. Finally, to truly benefit from this technology, we need to focus on educating people about computational literacy. Understanding the basics of how quantum computing works will be essential in preparing society for the next wave of innovation. With these advances, we are not just improving technology, but we are moving closer into becoming a Type 1 civilization, being that we could harness the full planetary potential of our planet. The Urana fermions may be the true beginning of quantum era. Maybe it will unlock the quantum revolution.